This might be one of the best things I've done for my chickens during the hot weather. Summer can be really tough for the chickens, so I turned this little container into a mini chicken pool and added a solar-powered water pump and filter from pop-up soap. It took me really just 10 minutes to set it up. The water keeps moving, gets filtered, and creates a little fountain that the chickens find absolutely fascinating. Whenever I find a chicken that is experiencing heat stress, I dip their feet into the water to cool their body temperature. And even so, my silkies are not exactly water birds. They are slowly learning to enjoy it. It is such a simple little setup, but it's a major upgrade for the life quality of my chickens.